Hello everyone, welcome back to the Tech Tricks tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extract WinRAR file in Windows 10. So let's get started. As you can see, I have a RAR file here. If you're not sure about the file type, you can easily check it by right-clicking on the file, selecting Properties, and you'll see that it's a RAR file with the .rar extension. To extract this file, you'll need software called Winrar, which you can download from rarlab.com. Once you're on the website, click on the Downloads link. You'll see options for the latest English Winrar and RAR beta versions. Since we're using Windows 10, you'll have options for 32-bit and 64-bit versions. Click the appropriate link according to your system to download it. You'll then see that the downloading has started. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where you downloaded the file. You can simply click on Show in Folder. Double-click on the file to start the installer. Then click Install. Leave the default settings as they are and click OK. After the installation is complete, click Done. If you're new to Winrar, you can explore the console, read the manual, or check out what's new in the latest version. These options are available after the installation. Now, let's extract the RAR file. Right-click on the RAR file and choose Extract Here or Extract Files. If you choose Extract Files, you'll be prompted to select a destination folder. But in this case, we'll just extract it directly to the desktop by clicking Extract Here. You'll see a folder appear on your desktop with the extracted contents. If you want to change the file association so RAR files always open with Winrar, you can do this by right-clicking on the file, selecting Properties, clicking on Change, and choosing Winrar Archiver. If Winrar doesn't appear in the list, click More Apps to find it. After selecting it, click OK, then Apply, and finally OK. You should now see that RAR files are associated with Winrar, and that's it. This is how you can easily extract RAR files on Windows 10. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.